Precast manhole systems for sewerage management. Precast concrete manholes are an integral component of any modern sewer system. A properly designed and installed precast concrete manhole system provides superior watertight performance compared with competing methods and materials. Precast manhole systems are very safe and takes only 1 hour to install as compared to 3 days in the conventional system with comparatively less manpower. They are good choices for pump stations, wet wells, storm water management structures, impoundment, overflow structures. All manholes and vertical structures can be provided for highway, railroads, and aviation loadings. After an extensive research, we have launched a perfect manhole system to meet the challenges of urbanization and smart cities. The Hindustan Precast Manhole. This unique system combines to form the perfect manhole that are designed to last for 100 years. Our range of precast concrete chambers can be availed in different length, thickness, and diameters based upon the requirements of the clients. The parts of precast manhole system. The first is base section. At the bottom we have the base section which comes in the diameter of 910 mm and 1220 mm. The base section bears the entire load of the precast manhole system and provides the strongest foundation for heavy vehicles load. The second is riser section. Above the base section, we have the riser section, which provides the safe access connection to the ground level to the pipes. We have the risers of different sizes which comes in the height of 400 mm, 600 mm, 700 mm, 800 mm, and last 1200 mm. The third is cone section. Above the riser section, we have conical section, which is used to decrease the diameter to 600 mm to provide enough space to enter inside the manhole. The fourth is the cover. Flat slab is used to access the manhole system. This is designed as per the Indian standards of heavy duty and extra heavy duty class. Hindustan Precast Manhole Systems, a result of extensive research and a cutting-edge technology by Hindustan Tiles. To know more, contact us.